Why do you text all the time? Why do you text all the time? Why do you always look at your phone? Why do you do nothing but look at your phone? Why? Tell me.
First of all, I'm in like a group chat and everyone's commenting.
Group chat with who? Why do you always look at your phone and text all the time and you never pay any attention to me and I have to deal with your stupid phone? It's like you have a second boyfriend who's cooler than me and more interesting than me and not better looking, obviously, because I've seen the internet, and not smarter, but definitely more interesting. Why are you constantly and always looking at your phone? Why? Tell me. Tell me!
I got friends.
Who? You don't have friends. I'm your friend. I'm here right now. Who's here? Me? I'm your friend. You're not allowed to have... You know what? That's it. No more friends. No more friends for you. You don't get friends now because I've said no to that now.
You don't have friends.
I have friends. You're my friend. I don't need other friends. I married you because I only wanted one friend. She's looking at her phone. She's literally doing what? Why are you doing this? Who are you talking to? What
Vicky,
what'd she say?
we're in a group message. I don't know. I have to open it.
What group do you know? You don't have any friends. You literally don't have any friends. That's why I married you, because you didn't have any friends. Where did you get friends?
I made them because I'm a big girl now.
Why? I don't like that. I want you to be my friend. I married you because I only wanted you to be my friend. I don't want you to have other friends. I don't like other people being your friend. Can you please give me your phone? I'm going to text all your friends and tell
You
them.
sound like a weirdo right now.
May I please have your phone to text all your friends and tell them that I don't want them to be your friend anymore because you look at your phone too much?
No.
That's reasonable. That's real. Real.
Says the guy that's on his phone right now.
Touche. But I'm not texting because I don't have any friends except you.
You were texting earlier. In fact, you were texting 3 different people at one time.
About a house that we're buying. That's not friends. Well, look.
He's always on his phone.
No, never. I've never been on my phone. This is my first time to even use a phone. Right now, literally, is the first time I bought this phone, clicked this button, and I did this. I don't even know how it's happening right now. I don't even know what's going to happen when I push the button. What button?
He had a YouTube channel for 3 years.
You had a YouTube channel for 3 years. How about that?
It was
Burn!
constant.
Burn! I burned her.